There we go. Okay. We are going to make vegetable soup. Are you ready? Okay, I have some vegetables in here. You got to use your imagination. Can you use your imagination?
Yeah, like the train's imagination.
Yeah, okay. What's this?
Potato.
A what?
A potato.
A potato?
Tomato.
Potatoes are brown. What color is this?
Tomato.
Yeah, it's a tomato. Okay, let's see. How many tomatoes do we have?
One.
Oh, how many tomatoes do we have?
One.
Malaysia, ready?
Potato. Two. Three. Tomato.
How many tomatoes?
Three.
How many tomatoes?
Three.
3 tomatoes. Okay. Let me write that down. We're going to use this for a small group today. I've got 3 tomatoes. Now you got to use your imagination again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Look.
Three. One. Pickle.
Pickles? I don't want pickles in my soup.
Green beans.
Green beans. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Green beans. How many green beans?
2.
2 green beans. So what am I going to write here?
2.
2. If I have 3 tomatoes and 2 green beans,
I know it's 5.
how many vegetables do I have all together?
5.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
6.
How many vegetables do I have all together? Araya. Araya says 5. Araya, how do you know? How do you know, Araya? What did you do to find out, Araya? You counted them? You counted what? All the vegetables? Okay, come here. Can you write 5? Write it right here. Like this. Right here. Ready? Whoop, that's backwards. There you go. There! Thank you. Okay, ready? This says 3 plus 2 equals 5. Can you read that sentence? Go.
1, 2 equals 5.
Very good. Okay, we're going to try another one. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye, vegetables. Well, these are brown.
Tomato.
Okay, you ready?
Tomato.
1. What is it?
1.
What do you imagine it is?
Potato.
A potato. Okay, how many potatoes do I have?
1.
1 potato. And, this is what I'm going to put in. Are you ready? Oh, yeah, these are carrots. Because what color are they?
Orange.
They're orange. How many carrots do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Raise your hand. How many carrots do I have? Natalie.
5.
Natalie, how many carrots do I have?
4.
4 carrots. Okay. I have 1 potato and 4 carrots. How many vegetables do I have all together in my vegetable soup?
5.
Benjamin.
5.
How do you know, Benjamin?
I counted them.
You counted them. Benjamin, can you come write 5 for us?
Another 5.
Another 5. Can you write it right there? Okay. Yep. Oh, he's got this. Good. Look at that 5. Ooh, that's a good looking 5. Thank you, Benjamin. All right, we've got 1 potato and 4 carrots. Makes 5. Elizabeth, let's see if you can read it. Go. 1 plus
4 equals 5.
You are brilliant. Kiss your brain. Very good.
Kiss your brain.